Greetings from the Paper Manufacturers Association of South Africa to wherever you are in the country. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. Usually at this time of year, we are visiting universities to promote the bursary program as well as our industry. However, during this time of business and life unusual, we have had to take a virtual route to promote our industry and the Masters of Engineering bursary program. Let's start off by explaining who PAMSA is and what we do. PAMSA is an industry association that represents more than 90% of pulp and paper manufacturers in South Africa. These companies make printing and writing paper, paper packaging and paperboard, tissue, dissolving wood pulp and cellulose for a variety of applications. We promote the pre-competitive interests of the sector, as well as acting as a forum for the development of common positions on issues such as legislation, skills upliftment and training, education, research and development in wood and paper science, as well as environmental and sustainability matters such as climate change, carbon tax, water and energy, along with recycling. To this end, we play an advocacy role on behalf of our members and engage often and closely with government and other stakeholders. Our members include Coruscant Group, Kimberly-Clark, Mondi, Impact, Neopak, SAPI, and Twinsaver, and we encourage you to visit their websites for more information. It's a common and deeply rooted myth that wood and paper products are harmful to the environment, that their production causes deforestation and pollution. This could not be further from the truth. Wood-based products, cellulose, pulp and paper are made from a renewable resource, sustainably farmed trees. South Africa grows 840 million trees over 693,000 hectares of land for the purpose of making pulp and paper. The sustainable management of commercially grown trees makes wood a renewable resource, as only 6% of the total plantation area is harvested annually. This is then replanted in the same year. Once harvested, the wood fibre is chipped and made into a pulp, which is then used to make all manner of things, from the conventional, such as printing paper and packaging, to the obscure, such as dissolving wood pulp for viscose fabric or microcrystalline cellulose. A large portion of the energy used in the manufacture of paper is also renewable by using byproducts such as black liquor. Carbon is sequestered by trees through the process of photosynthesis, and plantations help to mitigate climate change. Another interesting fact is that wood products, even including paper, store carbon. And this is why recycling is also quite important, because it keeps the carbon locked up for longer. Pulp and paper products are a viable natural alternative for our world that is full of fossil and petroleum-based products. If you mention paper, most people imagine this stuff. The clean, white A4 copy paper that we use in our printers. But paper is more than that, and it includes things like newspaper, books, tissue products, cardboard boxes, food packaging, coffee cups and even the molded fiber products, milk and juice cartons, labels and boxes, and paper sacks. Trees are wonderfully versatile and they give us so many products. Things like essential oils, pencils, furniture and poles. And the ingredients for any half-decent weekend in South Africa. Charcoal and matches. And let's not forget the bag and box that they came in. Dissolving wood pulp can be used to make viscose and rayon. And it is also used as the carrier for the active ingredient in pharmaceutical products. It is added to cosmetics such as lipsticks. And it's added to foodstuffs such as ice creams, low-fat yogurt, and low-fat cheese. The paper and pulping process also yield byproducts such as black liquor, which is used as a fuel in the process, and lignosulfonate, which is used as a dust suppressant in mining and even forestry, and can also be added to cement to improve its flow without adding more water. As an industry, we are striving to make maximum use of the tree and extract as much as we can from any single tree. As a forerunner in the bioeconomy, the forestry and forest product sector is investing considerably in the research and development into the uses of wood, wood fiber, and the things that come from trees, especially as we look towards low-carbon alternatives to fossil fuels and fossil-based materials. South African pulp and paper mills can use their raw material, wood and paper fiber, chemicals and water, their equipment and processes, as well as waste streams to extract ingredients for biochemicals, bioplastics, and biofuels. Not only does this have an environmental impact or an economic benefit, but it also opens up a whole new world for people like you with an affinity for science, chemistry, and innovation. Let's talk about the program. Our Masters of Engineering program has been running for over a decade, and during these 10 years we have had 77 students accepted to the program, with 65 completing it. 3 people have progressed to PhD level, and we have a 96% success rate of employment by our member companies. PAMSA annually offers bursaries to eligible Bachelor of Science engineering students who wish to pursue a Master of Engineering degree, focusing on biotechnology within the pulp, paper, tissue, and paper packaging sectors. The bursary is valued at R130,000 per year for 2 years of full-time study towards a degree at participating universities. Our universities include University of Witwatersrand, Stellenbosch University, Northwest, and University of Pretoria. We have numerous fields of research, and this is but a snapshot of some of the fields in which our students are involved. In terms of career opportunities, there are numerous for engineers in our sector. Career and personal development is an important focus for many of our member companies. A process engineer's journey may start with in-service training at a pulp, paper, or tissue mill, and depending on the companies and their training policies, individuals may elect to work in different engineering environments, depending on the availability of opportunities. As a research engineer, you may be tasked with projects where new concepts need to be developed or existing processes improved. Working as a process engineer places you at the heart of production, where you would be required to work closely with plant personnel to ensure machine uptime and availability, and to provide general engineering support. With more engineering experience, you may also move into project engineering, where you would join a team which focuses on the implementation of large-scale engineering projects at the plants. Many individuals who have started as engineers at our member companies have diversified their careers into other fields, including other technical roles, while others have moved into business management. Our bursary program does have some terms and conditions, and we encourage you to look at these on our website on the Master of Engineering program page. For more information and the application form, please go to thepaperstory.co.za. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and you can send your questions to ideas@pamsa.co.za. We thank you for your time, and we look forward to your applications and seeing you as part of our industry in the near future.